Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, audience. Exit News are going live today with your presenter, Aulia Sabrina Salsabiila, who will presenting today's latest and most current information, along with the main news. Viewers, the Merdeka Belajar curriculum, or the new name of the Persisat curriculum, will be implemented in the new academic year 2022. The Minister of Education, Culture, Research and Technology, or Mendikbudristek, Nadiem Anwar Makarim, launched this curriculum on February 11, 2022, online. He said during the launch of the Merdeka curriculum and the Merdeka Belajar platform online February 13 that they had tested the Merdeka curriculum in 2,500 schools, the name of which used to be the Persisat curriculum. The curriculum was issued by the Kemendikbudristek as an additional option in the context of recovering and improving the quality of post-pandemic learning during 2022 until 2024. In the Merdeka curriculum, the government allocates learning time per year. It is intended that educational units can manage the time and teaching of subjects in schools to make it easier for students to achieve learning according to phases. The Merdeka curriculum focuses on essential materials so as to create time for in-depth learning of basic competencies, including literacy and numeracy. In addition, the Merdeka curriculum structure refers to two main activities that use differentiated learning according to the stage of student achievement, namely regular learning and project to develop soft skills and character strengthening the Pancasila student profile. The drawbacks of this curriculum are the lack of human resource and an instructor system. This is because the independent curriculum is still new, and the government must conduct socialization first and require careful preparation in order to have a structured and systematic system. The Mendikbudristek said that the independent curriculum was optional or not mandatory, in the sense that all schools were not required to implement the curriculum. However, the positive impact of existence of an independent learning curriculum is that children no longer learn the same way. Instead, this curriculum provides an open space for children to explore and express their desires and interests in learning so that in the future children have a good spirit of competence and good characteristics. Let's move on to the next news. It is still about the new curriculum in Indonesia. Deputy Chairman of Commission 10 of the House of Representatives of Republik Indonesia, Dede Yusuf Makan Effendi, observes the quality of Indonesian education in preparation for the 2045 Golden Indonesia. Dede Yusuf said that currently Indonesia was activating the Merdeka curriculum, which was promoted by Kemendikbudristek. Conceptually, the Merdeka curriculum is almost the same as education applied abroad. Unfortunately, the Merdeka curriculum applied in Indonesia actually looks burdensome. This is because according to available data, the Indonesian workforce is dominated by junior high school graduates, with the percentage teaching 60%. According to data from the Ministry of Manpower, for those who graduate with diplomas and bachelor degrees, only 13 until 14% of the 275 million Indonesian population. Meanwhile, the Industrial Revolution 4.0 now relies more on capital-intensive concept and artificial intelligence, which is dominated by workers with a minimum of high school education. Dede Yusuf assesses that there is a need for an overhaul of the education board order to form a strong milestone in carrying by Merdeka curriculum. This reshuffle can be started by carrying the concept of Center of Excellence. In the concept of Center of Excellence, children who want to go to school are not subject to expensive fees. For information, the concept of Center of Excellence is the establishment of education by prioritizing quality in every educational facility in all provinces in Indonesia. As for prioritizing quality, it can be started from the cost of entering the school, which is not expensive. This is because there are several regions in Indonesia whose residents still have lower middle incomes. for example, East Nusa Tenggara and Papua. Meanwhile, for the implementation of the Merdeka curriculum, it must invite and encourage education stakeholders to promote a more equitable education. For this reason, it is necessary to structures to meet the welfare needs of honorary teachers and improve facilities and infrastructure first. On that occasion, character education is one of the most important things that must be promoted among young people. Young Indonesians who have succeeded in scoring achievement in international competition can serve as examples by being invited to the Merdeka Palace. This will give rise to a sense of motivation and form a competitive character, so that more young people in Indonesia are born with achievement. To overcome this problem, the days of SAT, Commission 10 of the DPRRI is trying to invite the Ministry of Education and Culture, Parliament, and all education stakeholders to make an education roadmap called the 2045 Vision. Therefore, it is necessary to build a joint agreement on Indonesian education in 2045 to overcome this problem. Viewers, all the information earlier ended our meeting at Exit News today. I am Aulia Sabrina Salsabiila, representing our work's relative. Good morning and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.